皆さんこんにちは. In the last video, I talked about inserting audio or pictures in PDF. Now this video, I'm going to show you a few ways that you can insert different types of files. Let's start with PDF. With the PDF, you can simply drag and drop. If you insert a multiple page PDF, it asks you if you want to create PDF viewer or individual slides. If you choose individual slides, it just makes it into these separate slides. However, if you choose create PDF slide, it allows the students to navigate themselves. So let's just have a look. And if you double click on the file, it lets you preview the particular file. So this is what the students will see. So this is a multiple page PDF document. Now let's have a look at adding audio. And I'm going to drag and drop audio file, and that just gets uploaded. And this is just going to turn into a single document as an audio that students can play. So that is just a very simple way of adding documents or any files into Nearpod. And I'll also show you how you can add documents or audio or JPEG into activities. So let's say you're creating an open-ended question and you want to include, let's say, image or video or audio. Just click on image and you can drag and drop. So for example, this is a picture of Japanese flag, and you just do drag and drop. If you want to change, you can just click it again. You can also look for image using Google Image. Let's just say I want to have a look at Japanese flag on Google Image. It gives you several options with the different page numbers. So let's say this is the file I want. And if you want to add audio file that you created, just drag and drop the audio file and that becomes available. Unfortunately, you cannot add multiple multimedia files, so you cannot have audio and visual displaying at the same time. You can also add timer. The timer is a great way to just make sure it's not taking too long, or it allows the students to see how long they have left. So you can have all the way up to 99 minutes and 45 seconds.